Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off chat history in the ChatGPT app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the ChatGPT app. And here it opens up in the chat as the name suggests. Here you can write messages and start talking with the AI, but now we have to swipe to the right, and here it opens up this little list. And in the bottom of the list, and on the bottom of this list is a settings icon. We tap on that, and here in the data controls menu, we go in here, and we can select this button to turn off or turn on chat history training. This is used by the OpenAI company to make sure that their AI learns from conversations. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.